Standing while riding through the city might sound unusual, but that's exactly what makes the Halfbike so different. This unique three-wheeled ride has been around for more than a decade, and the company behind it, based in Bulgaria, has just introduced an upgraded version designed to make the experience even better. Unlike a traditional bicycle, the Halfbike has no seat. You ride it while standing, holding onto fixed handlebars and steering by shifting your body weight. The company describes it as a mix of running, cycling, and skiing, creating a fun, full-body workout while putting less stress on your knees and joints. Once you get used to it, you can cruise at speeds of around 20 kilometers per hour, although it does take about a week for most riders to feel comfortable. It's best suited for city streets, since climbing steep hills can be a bit of a challenge. The latest model, called the Halfbike Pro, brings several upgrades over the standard version. It features a redesigned frame and a new V-shaped handlebar that provides a more natural riding position. The front wheel has also grown from 18 inches to 20 inches, helping improve stability, handling, and overall ride comfort. According to the company, these changes make the Pro smoother, more responsive, and easier to control. Like the original, the Halfbike Pro is built with a lightweight laser-cut aluminum frame, includes 4 gears and a reliable drum brake, and folds down in just seconds. Weighing only 11.2 kilograms, it's easy to carry onto public transportation or store in the trunk of a car, making it a practical option for urban commuters who need something portable. Every Halfbike is handcrafted before being shipped to customers around the world. The Halfbike Pro is priced at $1,299 in the United States and other international markets, while customers in Europe can pick one up for €1,199. The Halfbike isn't trying to replace a regular bicycle. Instead, it offers a completely different way to get around while staying active. It may take a little practice, but for anyone looking for a fun, eye-catching, and portable ride that delivers a full-body workout, the Halfbike Pro could be one of the most unique personal transportation options available today.